Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is string static methods. So today we will be discussing about most important static methods in string handling. So we'll have format, join, IsNullOrEmpty, Concat, compare, equals. So let's get started. Static methods. So you know the static methods are those methods which are called by the help of class name. So here the first static method of string object is format. Now you can see here I have taken one variable string formatted, and here it is equal to string.format, and then we have first double quote, and then we have comma, and then we have the data, right? So in the first double quote you have to provide the different formats in the form of curly bracket 0, curly bracket 1, and so on. And the second parameter after this comma would be the actual data, so it could be n numbers, right? But here the first string in the double quote provides the formats basically. So here the output will be name colon John comma age colon 25, right? So in place of this curly bracket 0, the John will be printed, and in place of this curly bracket 1, 25 will be printed. So this is the format, string dot format, and it's a static method. We have also currency format and number format. So here you can see in the format section you can provide 0 colon C. So it will give you the currency. Now you can see here 123.4.56, and before that it adds one currency symbol, whether it is Indian currency or dollar, that will be the US currency based on the system configuration. And here also you can see this is the number format. So here this is one of the number, and it gives you in the decimal format like 1,234. So this is the formatted number basically. And another method, that is the join, and here you can see it works on the collections. So here I have taken one array, that is the names, and we have Sunil, Mohan, Mukesh, and here I have written string result equal to string dot join. And in join method there are two parameters or two arguments you need to pass. First one is the formatted or on which basis you want to display the data. So, or you can say the on which basis you want to join the strings. So here it is comma, it could be either space, comma, or dash, underscore, anything. And after that we have one comma and then the collections, that is the names. Here we have array here. So the output will be something Sunil, comma, Mohan, comma, Mukesh, right? Because we have given the comma as a separator, or based on comma we are going to join these array elements. Next one is our concat static method, and here you can see string.concat, and you need to pass n number of strings here, comma separated. So here you can see the first string is hello, comma, second string is empty, comma, third one is world, right? So it will print hello space world, that is the hello world. So this is called concatenation of the string, and concat method is a static method. Now we next we have compare, and in this compare we need to pass two value here. You can see string dot compare, and inside this compare method you need to pass two argument. So here I have passed hello, right? And basically it returns numeric value, or you can say the integer value, right? So here you can see these two words are case sensitive, right? So here the first one is hello, started with caps H, hello, and started with capital H, and in the second one hello with the small case, right? So it gives you 1. So depending upon the data it gives you either negative number, 0, or positive number, right? So here you can see it gives you 1 because the two strings are exactly not same. This is the case sensitive, right? But there is another version like ordinal ignore case. So if you use this enum, In this case it gives you the value 0. Why it is so? Because it compares these two strings without comparing with the cases, right? So that's why both the strings are equal. In the same way we have equals here, and this equal methods gives the boolean result. Like let's say if I write string.equal hello and this hello, and if I write string comparison.ordinal case, then it will give you the true result, right? Because it does not compare with the cases, correct? So it checks letter by letter. If both the letters are equal, then it gives you true. And in the same way we have without string comparison or ordinal case. So in this case it gives you false because of the case sensitive. We have other methods like IsNullOrEmpty and IsNullOrWhiteSpace. So here basically it checks whether the string is null or empty, or the string is white space, null or white space along with empty. So let's quickly jump into the Visual Studio and look at all these things in action. So I have tried all the static methods here. So let's run it and we'll compare the result. Okay, so here is the result. So first from the format static method, and now you can see the result like name colon John comma age colon 25. So this is what we have given the format. And here is the currency format. Like you can see the currency one is it starts with dollar, right? So this is the rupees basically, or you can say dollar. And the next one is the number, and it is in decimal format along with comma. Next one is join static methods, and as we know, like this works in the collections. So here words is an array, and here I have joined based on this space, right? So here string.join, and then we have the space comma words. So it will print hello from CSharp, right? Because we have joined it with spaces. And then next one is concat. So here again there are three words in this concat method: hello and then comma space comma world. So it will print hello world, concat hello world. Okay, so the next one is the compare method, and here it compares two words, and whether it checks whether the both the words are equal or not. If it is equal, almost, or you can say like if it is equal, then it returns 0. If it is not equal, then based on the order it returns either negative number or positive number. So here you can look at the output comp1 and comp2. So the first one is 1 and second one is the 0, right? So this comp1 is 1 and this comp2 is 0, and it is 0 because of this ordinal ignore case. So it basically ignores the cases. So, and that's why both are equal. Okay, so now next one is the equals static method, and in equals static method it requires basically two parameters. So first one is here you can see the hello, and the second one is the same thing hello with small letter, right? Starts with small letter. So here it gives you the false. The first one is the false. Why is it so? Because it does not ignore the cases, right? But in case of second one it ignores the cases, and that's why it gives you true. So basically this hello with caps H and hello with small h will be same because of this string comparison dot ordinal ignore case. And next one is IsNullOrEmpty. So here you can see it checks whether the string is empty or not. If it is empty, then it gives you true, and if some text or strings are there, then it will return false, right? IsNullOrEmpty, because this is not empty. So here you can see in IsNullOrEmpty we have result true and false. So this first one gives you true, and the second one gives you false. And in the same way we have IsNullOrWhiteSpace. So basically it checks the spaces, or you can say the white spaces, right? So if it has the white spaces, then it returns true, right? And here it is not empty because data is there, so it will give you the false one. So these are most important static methods normally used in software development. So whenever you think like I need to format this string, or when you think like I need to compare the two strings, or I need to check whether the string is null or empty, or even I want to join based on some conditions, let's say comma separated or anything else, then you can use these static methods, and that is very helpful in software development. I hope you understood this concept, and if you enjoy this video, then please like it and share it with your friends. And also, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it. Thanks for today, and I will see you in the next video.